Hello everyone, today I am going to show you a project topic on ultrasonic spectacle and waist belt for visually impaired and blind person. Our project member are Ronel, registration number 12210106313. M. Haridas, registration number 12210106027. B. Jaswan, registration number 12210106310. Our internal guide is Mr. M. Manimaran Boopathy, ME, Assistant Professor. The main objective of the project is to avoid the blind person and visually impaired person from dangerous sport accident due to their loss of visual power or low visual. Here we are using ultrasonic to sense the obstacle within the range of the detection. After detecting the obstacle, the sensor which we are having will be send signal to the microcontroller to give the output as a sound to avoid accident. The system is made to comfort by the user with lightweight compact body so that the system will be made more friendly to the user. Here let me mention you the system requirement. In here we are using hardware requirement are. Here we are using a 32-bit ARM7 TDMI microcontroller. Number 2, ultrasonic transmitter receiver pair. Two pair we are using. So in third, voice module, 4 loudspeaker, 5 power supply. So now let's go through the hardware requirement. Now here let me show you the microcontroller ARM7 LPC 2148 we are using here. Here it's this board is a microcontroller board. Now here this is the microcontroller ARM7 LPC 2148. Now this microcontroller we are using this TDMI so that we can there are many some of the advantages which so that we are using this microcontroller. Now let me show you. We have to apply the power supply here, and this is the voltage regulator. Now if we get we have to apply the 22 volt. That means which we are using in our household. So if we give through this IC will be giving only 5 volt, which we require by the microcontroller for process. So now here we are using this ultrasonic. There are two pair of ultrasonic are there. Is contain one transmitter and one receiver. And now this is the voice module. Now we can store the voice up to the depending upon this chip, we can store up to 8 minutes of voice, which we can give as an output. Now it is contain now here 5 slot is there, is contain 1 minute. It can store 1 minute of the voice. So now this is what the hardware which we are required in this project. And let's go for the software requirement. Now we are using in software 1 Cal micro version for 4 compiler, 2 Flash Magic version 7.7 Flash programmer. Third, OrCAD hardware design tools. So let's go through the hardware requirement. Now here why we are using the OrCAD design. OrCAD design is used to design the OrCAD design circuit is used to design the schematic of the hardware. Using OrCAD, the PCB layout can be designed very easily. So let's go for the Cal compiler. Why we use the Cal compiler? This tool is used to develop the source code needed for design. The tools help us to not only to develop but also compile the code and simulate the code. The key tools is also to convert the compiled embedded code to its equivalent hexa code. This is why we are using in this project the Cal compiler. Now finally the last one is a Flash programmer. Why we use the Flash programmer? Flash programmer is used to diffuse the bug hexa code into the microcontroller here language. Here we are using the language embedded C. So now let's go see how does this project is work by applying the power supply. Now let's put this adapter in this slot. Now here we put the adapter here. Now we can apply the power supply here. So now we apply the power supply. Now you can hear a sound from the ultrasonic which we are using to detect. So now let's just go for it. So
obstacle is in 1 meter. Obstacle detected.
So now we can hear the two type of voice from this different pair of ultrasonic. So why the main reason of the storing the different voice output, because we can easily identify where the obstacle is placed. Why we are going to now, one of the ultrasonic is going to put in the spectacle and one is we are going to put in the waistband. So if we put this ultrasonic
obstacle is in 1 meter.
in the spec, so that if we can hear the sound of this voice, we can easily identify that obstacle is just in front of my person. So in this and another one,
obstacle detected.
if we can hear the sound of this, then if this ultrasonic, we are going to put this into our waistband, so that we can easily identify the obstacles in the downstairs. This how this project is working. It's very easy, and we can go for our future implementation also. We can go to the digital image processing tool, that we can store many images, so that we can microcontroller can tell the exact particular name of the object. So we can now this project is applicable only for the indoor. Now if we want to go for the outdoor, we need to implement here many things. We need to put here. We can put the RF unit, so that the transaction between the receiver and transmitter can be transmitted through the radio frequency. So many things we can be implemented with this project. That's it. Thank you.